අපේ මම නිකන් නම් වශයෙන් කිව්වොත් අයියේ මම දැකලා තියෙන ලංකාවේ ලොකුම හයව ගහන දසුන් ශානක. ඒ හයව කාටවත් තාම ගහන්න බෑ.
To a man who's been under pressure. Eyes on his form with the bat. But he stands tall here in Palakkele. 50 from 19. Really well played. Now the full toss. And the option was always going to be straight. That's beautifully struck. The smart option. He knew the ball was up on the leg side. They're on the charge at the moment. Sri Lanka. It's heartening to see as well coming from the